Hey everybody, Gay here. What's up, bitches? I'm at my favorite place to do gay today, at the laundromat in White River Junction. My mother doesn't have the internet, as she calls it the devil's keyboard. Mike, why do you want to be on the devil's keyboard all the time? Anywho, I just was thinking about birds today. There's an early bird, a dirty bird, and a love bird. And why are it only the birds that are in love? And why are birds always early? Huh? As for dirty birds, aren't all birds dirty? I mean, they're full of lice. Filthy little creatures. I'm a dirty bird. I'm the dirtiest bird of all. These are dirty birds. Why do we say they were giving them the bird? That's why is this a bird? I don't know. The things I think about. But you know, think about it. What if there was like an early cat? It'd suck to be the early bird if there was an early cat. You wouldn't get that worm if the early cat got the early bird. Then the worm would be all right. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Birds of a feather. Now there is the low down dirty dog. That poor dirty dog works like a horse. Or you work like a dog. Oh my God, I work like both a horse and dog. Making me a total ass, which is a donkey. I don't know where this is going. This is totally stupid. But why do we always say, oh my goodness, when something catastrophic happens? Oh my goodness, my house burned down. Why is it not, oh my badness? No, it's never that. It's never that. Oh, those poor early birds. I wish I was a lovebird. What if you weren't in lovebird? What if you were that lovebird who was just not in love? Would just be a bird? Anyway, I'm at the laundromat. Oh my God, and I just took my laundry out to put in the dryer, and look what I found in the washer. That's not mine. What are those? What are those? Well, they look like cigarette butts. I don't know what those are, and they came out of my laundry. Disgusting. That's gross. That's really gross. Gay nightmare. Gay nightmare. Okay, so I had date number 3 with Joe the other night, but brand fabric. And I tried on this shirt made by Helen. It's not for sale. But I think it's cute. I think it's cute, Joe.
It is very cute.
You look nice in yellow feathers.
Thank you.
But there was a date number 2, and on date number 2, this happened. Now we're here at Chili's, and I want to impress Joe here with my brand new biceps. And I'm going to arm wrestle this really cute straight boy named Zach. So I'm going to show that I can defend Joe on my second date by arm wrestling this really cute straight boy. He smells like cinnamon and boy. I don't know how that's possible. So shall we arm wrestle? Okay. Ready, here we go. Joe, this is for you. This is what you do on date 2. I'm gonna do it. Are you ready? Go.
Did you do that? I did it for one.
Come on. Dude, that's all my weight. Don't worry, Joe, I'll get you. You want it? Oh, stupid. That's how gays fight her. Woo! Oh, that's hilarious. That's how your man fights me, bro. I'll fight for you too anyway. And on date number 2, we went to Supercuts. Hi, having fun on the date, Joe? Great, awesome. This is the best kind of day until I get my hair cut. And Walmart and K-Mart, and this is what happened at Walmart. The toy section, and I want this. I want this toy. Oh my God, if I had this when I was a kid, I mean, people think I always wanted Barbies because I was gay, and I kind of did, but I always wanted G.I. Joe.
I wanted He-Man.
Oh my God, I had He-Man, though He-Man had gay hair. But who wouldn't want, I mean, come on. Hello, nurse. And then I would want these. This one. Yes. I mean, I wonder if they're anatomically correct. That's what you do on dates in Vermont, New Hampshire. You go to Walmart and K-Mart and Supercuts. That's what happens, dirty birds. Dirty birds. I haven't been out in nature in a while, and, oh! Yeah, so I'm not gonna go. And that's your gay today. Everybody's heard about the bird. Oh my God, gay's out.